Okay, welcome back to the channel, folks. Here we have a little restoration video we're going to try for you. Have a look at this Jeep. It's a mid-60s Tonka. It's got some issues. Rusty hubcaps, missing steering wheel, faded interior. It's missing a spare tire. It's missing the star decal on the hood. And the other decals are kind of faded. So let's try a little restoration magic here. Can we? Hang on. Bing. Oops. My bad. Hang on. Try that again. Bing. There we go. That's better. Have a look at it now. Rust-free hubcaps, new decals, nice clean interior, steering wheel, spare tire. Looking pretty good, right? Thanks for stopping by, folks.